Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, the thing I say every time, this time is no exception, so I'm going to say this time, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. You, and you alone, are going to make that decision like the responsible adult I know that you are. Today, I'm here to show you Bitunix, the fastest growing crypto exchange. There's some pretty great features we're going to talk to you about on this. Great day we're having in Amsterdam, all over the place. BTC, $83,000 value, dominance of 60.7%, all sorts of stuff going on there. All of that I like. Oh, epic after party. I want to go to an epic after party. But a big thing here is there's no KYC required. You don't have to do the know your customer, verify all this stuff, the CAPTCHA where you got to pick the bicycle out in the crosswalk and all that. You don't have to worry about that. You also don't have to worry about a VPN. It's usable anywhere usable anywhere on the planet. So that is their one for it. Oh, here's Susie Q is talking about it. Now, you have the ability to leverage up to 125x what you put in. That's a pretty incredible leverage. I like the sound of that. That is a real chance to get some power in your corner. Storage settings. I gotta free up some space. That's another matter. Now, there is VIP access with just $1,000, and you'll have the lowest fees on the site. So that's going for it. I like the motion here. Long-term demand zone. Everything's cool there. 80K to 73K, and we see that's just yesterday, but it's already up to 83 now. So it is climbing. You have the option of multi-window trading. This is the first in the market. All of that is going on. We got their trending cryptocurrencies. You can see who is using Bitunix. Like all of that. Build your cryptocurrency portfolio. Apply to use its secure, seamless insights and service. Begin your cryptocurrency journey effortlessly. So there is a lot going on there, and you all are offered market insights on the web itself. Let's click around. P2P, third-party trading. All right, yeah, like the look of that. There we go. There. Copy trading. These little snapshots to see at the way each of their cryptos are trending. All that going on there. Campaign center. Enter the campaign, receive rewards, and start your crypto journey. So that is new, but there are more up and coming, and I think they're gonna be hot. And we got a task center. So, first time deposit, first time futures tradings, get you in, get you familiar, get you using the platform and making sense of all of it. So, everything looks really well set up. Market sentiment, market cap, volume. So I like what I see, and I think you're going to like what you see if you check this out. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.